For more videos, please subscribe to RK Math. Students, today we are going to discuss locus chapter. This is very important for coming IP examination. So, very easy. So, I want to explain these questions from the locus chapter. So, locus. First of all, the locus chapter. What is a locus? Locus is the set of points which satisfies the given geometrical conditions. So, the set of points which satisfies the given geometrical conditions is called the locus. So, how to do directly? How to do the questions in IP purpose? So, first of all, any question we have to remember these steps. First one, let P of x comma y be any point on locus. The first step is let P of x comma y be any point on locus. Second one, given points. In the question they will give one or two points. That points we have to write here. Next, given condition. I said just now geometrical condition. So that condition we have to write. Third step. The condition, from that condition we have to simplification. At last, conclusion, required equation of locus is. At last we will write the answer. So first one, let P of x comma y be any point on locus. Next one, given points. Next, given condition. From that condition we do the simplification. At last, required equation of locus is. Final answer you have to write. These steps must and should have to write in each and every question of locus chapter. Okay, now we start the question. First question. Find the equation of locus of P if the ratio of distances from the point P to A of 5 comma minus 4 and B of 7 comma 6 is 2:3. This ratio type problems are in our textbook. There are two questions, ratio type questions. So one of the question they will ask, no doubt. So the first question, this is the question. First I said just now, let P of x comma y be any point on locus. So solution, let P of x comma y be any point on locus. Next, given points. What are the points? A of 5 comma minus 4, B of 7 comma 6. given condition, what is the condition? This is the P, this is A and B. We have to read the question perfectly. Then only we will get the answer. Equation of locus of P if the ratio of the distances from P to A and B. So this is P, this is A and this is B. PA, PB distances ratio, it is given 2:3. So given condition is PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. So this is PA by PB is equal to 2/3. Now cross multiplication. 3PA is equal to 2PB. Squaring on both sides. SBS means squaring on both sides. 9PA square is equal to 4PB square. So actually PA means the distance from P to A. We have to learn the formula, very important formula, distance between 2 points formula. So PA is equal to, what is the distance between 2 points formula? Distance between 2 points. This is under root of x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the formula. Distance between 2 points formula. And you have to learn the very important a minus b whole square and a plus b formulas also here. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Without these three formulas, we cannot write at least one step also in the locus chapter. So very important formulas. So 9 into simplification. PA square. PA square means from P to A distance between 2 points formula. Distance between 2 point formula whole square. Whole square means the square root and root cut. So PA x minus 5 whole square plus y minus of minus plus 4 whole square is equal to 4 into PB square x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. This is 9 into a minus b whole square. I said x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y, a plus b whole square, y square plus 16 plus 8y is equal to 4 into, this is x square plus 49 minus 14x plus a minus b whole square, y square plus 36 minus 12y. So multiplication, this is 9x square plus this is see 9 into 25, this is 225, 9 into 10 90, 9 into y square 9y square, 9 into 16 144, 9 into 8 72y is equal to, now 4x square, multiply with 4. 4 into 49, 196. 4 into 14, 56. 4 into y square, 4y square, plus 4 into 36. This is 144 minus 4 into 12, 48y. Here both sides anything cancellation, 144 cancel. Now after simplification we will get the answer. 4x square transpose to this side, 9 minus 4, 5x square. Next 9y square, this is 4y square. 4 it transpose to this side, 5y square. Next this is minus 90, this is minus 56. Minus 56, take it as this side, plus 56. 90 plus 56, this is minus 34x. Next, now this is 72y. This is minus 48. Minus 48, take it as this side, plus 72 plus 48 plus 120y. Next, constants. This is 225. This is 196. 196, take it as this side, 225 minus 196. This is 29. Therefore, at last step, required locus of P is answer 5x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. So I said these steps are very important. Let P of x comma y be any point on locus, given points and given condition. From that condition we have to simplify. At last step, this is the locus of P. This is very important model. Students, be careful to do the all types of these problems. Yes, students, the next important problem, a of 5 comma 3 and b of 3 comma minus 2 are two fixed points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of triangle. This area of triangle problem is very important. These type of questions are two. So this is the one of the best important question. Okay, now we can start this question. So first of all, let P of x comma y be any point on locus Next, the second step is given points. What are the given points here? A of 5 comma 3 and B of 3 comma minus 2. Next, given condition, area of triangle PAB. This is the given condition. Given condition is area of triangle ABP or PAB, whatever it may be. ABP, or we can write PAB also, is equal to 9. It is given. So PAB area we are taking. So area of triangle formula here. This is half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. It is given 9. Now this is half into x1 x1 means this is x into y2, this is x1 y1, I am writing here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. If you write like this, it is very easy to substitute in the formula. y2 means 3, y3 means minus 2, plus x2 5, y3 minus 2, minus y1 y, plus x3 3, y1 y, minus y2 3. This is equal to 9. 2 cross multiplication. Modulus of, this is a 5x, this is a 5 into minus 2, minus 10, this is minus 5y, next plus 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 9 2s are cross multiplication 18. That implies 5x, modulus of 5x, minus 5y plus 3y, minus 2y, minus 10 minus 9, minus 19 is equal to plus, this is 18. Now, this is, after remove the modulus, we will get the plus or minus 18 here. So, 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus or minus 18. So, first of all, 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus 18, or 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to minus 18. This is 5x minus 2y plus 18, take it as this side, minus 18. Minus 18 minus 19, this is minus 37. Or 5x minus 2y minus 18, take it as this side, plus. So, this is minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of locus of P is, final step, locus of P is 5x minus 2y, this is minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Students, this is a 4 marks question, very important.